7 Top Benefits of Early Morning Yoga. Yoga postures to improve physical, mental health in women. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. 1. Increases emotional health. Yoga increases your emotional health to a large level. You get the stability to actually fight against important decisions of your life and get through the rough patch with ease. 2. Stress buster. Early morning yoga is quite a stress buster considering the different kinds of silences and mild sounds you hear. 3. It decreases back pain. Studies have proven that yoga can decrease chronic back pain than the usual health care. Since yoga is a natural treatment by itself, you get to experience the new. 4. Increases immunity level. The human body is a beautiful mix of soul, body, and mind. You need to balance all the three using something that can enhance your power. Yoga is the best way to do it. Yoga increases immunity levels and keeps a check on your restlessness. 5. Better body. Yoga helps you stretch your legs and hands and makes your body easily flexible. You tend to reduce both in body and it helps you relax your muscles. 6. Impeccable energy. Yoga helps you feel fresh and energetic after a hectic day where you are handling multiple tasks. Yoga also benefits you immensely by leaving you refreshed and recharged in the middle of a hectic day with simple techniques and meditation. 7. Better flexibility. Include yoga in your routine to get benefits from your own body. Regular yoga stretches and tones the body muscles. It also helps to improve body posture.